We are SKMC Global, and we are more than just a financial or legal consulting firm, a trusted partner in success. The founder of SKMC Global is Mr. Shailendra Mishra, a chartered accountant by profession and an ex-Big Four professional who ventured into providing consulting services since year 2010. SKMC Global as an organization and a group of regulatory and business consultants who thrive to provide an umbrella of service which is a one-stop shop for all the corporates in India and the multinational organizations willing to enter into India. SKMC Global has been providing excellent support to all its clients in all the regulatory aspects of India, which has positioned SKMC Global as one of the pioneers in consulting industry. Now let's talk about our services. For market entry, we do provide comprehensive guidance to help businesses navigate and establish operations in new markets effectively. Under transaction management, we have a custom tailored support for capital raising, IPO preparation, and investor engagement to fuel business growth. In tax and regulatory matters, we do have our expert solutions to ensure compliance with tax laws and regulations by minimizing risks and liabilities. For legal and secretarial services, we do provide end-to-end corporate legal and secretarial services to ensure smooth governance and regulatory adherence. For outsourcing, we have streamlined outsourcing solutions for finance, accounting, payroll, and compliance to boost efficiency. Now, let's talk about our clients. Our team at SKMC Global has the experience of handling more than 500 clients, which majorly comprises of multinational corporates, and the services related with all the regulatory compliances along with strategic advisory applicable to our clients. Our expertise has adapted to the needs of our clients, which not only includes corporates but extend to serving high net worth individuals offering personalized services to manage and grow their assets. With a strong presence and network across the industries, we bridge the gap between local and international markets effectively. Our commitment is to deliver excellence, innovation, and the value to every client, regardless of their scale or sector. Now, let's discuss about our team. We are a team of professionals who come with a background of experience with Big Fours and other reputed consulting organizations, who carries a wealth of experience in various domains. The team comprises of chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and other business consultants who work with a passion for excellence and a commitment in delivering quality. We have helped hundreds of businesses not only navigate the complex financial and legal landscape, but we have also provided business solutions to our clients, which has led to their increase of business or reduction of their complexities and cost to a great extent. Now, let's discuss about our structure. One of our USPs has been into creating different portfolio of services and building a dedicated team towards the same. We have been successful in creating segmentation of services and defining the team members who would be responsible for the segment of service. Through this approach, we have been delivering excellent quality of services to our clients, which has led to a client retention rate of 95% at our company. We take immense pride in our long-term partnerships with our clients who trust in our association and provide the support for the trust and the value we bring to their growth journey. Our strategic presence. SKMC Global has been successful in creating a widespread network with a presence in major metro cities of India. Through dedicated efforts, SKMC Global has been able to successfully expand its international presence in Singapore and Japan, which adds value to the portfolio of clients with us. This extensive geographical footprint enables us to provide comprehensive and timely support to our clients, irrespective of their location. Why choose SKMC Global? You should choose SKMC Global because of the structure that has been created by the team, which ensures expert guidance, direct access to the partners, service portfolio, proven track record, and the proactive approach for on-time delivery. We don't just provide services to our clients, rather try to build long-term partnerships and thus try to seize opportunities for our clients. Let's join hands to build a relationship. SKMC Global, your partner in success. To know more about us, you can visit our website www.skmcglobal.com or you may reach us at info@skmcglobal.com. or at the number displayed on the screen. Thank you.